content, my project, and what I made from 7th grade to 9th grade. First, this is my introduction. Everyone, my name is Hadar Semua. I was born in 24 October 2008. Now I'm a student of Eden Boarding School, especially in A class. And I will share my project that I made from 7th grade to 9th grade. This is my CV. In my CV there is my information about me, and then there is my schedule, and then there is my experience that I already feel it, and the last is that is education, and there is my contact. If you want to contact me, just contact me. This is my website. This is where I live. This is my phone number, and this is my email. Next, the table of content. Okay, so in this tutorial I will present about game, my project, and then website, and then multimedia, and next is IoT, Android, linear, English, certificate, and the last is my experience. The first is my game project. First is Catching Fruit. This game is I made in Scratch, and this is my first game that I made in Scratch too. So this game is aimed to catching the falling fruit and then avoid the falling enemy. And in this game, I think the enemy is basketball. So if you wanna win the game, just collect the fruit and then avoid the fruit to get point, and then avoid the enemy to to make the win game. The second is Dino Google. This is my second game that I made in Buildbox. So this game is same like Dino Google in Google. Just the Dino will be run, and then we just avoid the obstacle that I made in this project. The next is Crossing Road. This is my last project that I made in Buildbox, and also it's the hardest game that I made in Buildbox. So the aim is to get the finish line, but with step to the floating cube that will be moved to the right and to the left. We need to get the momentum and also avoid the enemy that I already made in this project. The next is Block Breaker. So the Block Breaker game is game to aim to break the block here using the ball, and then if the ball break the breaker, it will be bounced randomly, and then if the ball touch the ground, it will be lost. So we need to use the pedal to make the ball not touch the ground. And next, this is the Defender game. The Defender game is a game to defend our base from the enemy. In here, this our base. This the player. This is the enemy. We need to defend our base by shooting the enemy with our tank. And if you wanna win the game, you just shoot the enemy until the boss is spawned, and then if the boss spawned and lost, we will win. Next to the website project. First is personal website. This is my first website that I made using WordPress domain. And this personal website is for uploading my project that from 7th grade to 9th grade. So out of my project I already upload in my personal website. Next is Mosque website. Mosque website is a website most near my house. So I have a project from my teacher to make a mosque website, but the mosque is mosque near my house. So I choose Masjid Al Falah, the name, and then I only fill the information about the mosque. And the last is school website. Similar like mosque website, but this is school website is content about my elementary school. So I was school in SDS Kasari 5, like in my CV, and I just input the information about my school to the website. The next is multimedia project. The first is illustration. This is my first project that I learned in multimedia lesson. So we just need to enter image from Google, but I searched from Flickr, and then we just make a image like make a flat illustration. So I just make the pen to the person, the human, and then I just make some background to make it more beautiful. The next is UIS Food app. This project is for making UI application like UI application, and I choose the time is for app like Gojek. So I just only make the UI and the UX only for just the screen, and then but it's not true, you cannot order the food. Next is 3D mini room. 3D mini room is my first project that I made in Spline in second semester in 8th grade. So this project I made by following tutorial from YouTube that shared by my teacher, and then we just learn alone, so we can understand faster. The next is Isometric City. This project is used for Ujicom 8th grade, and this Isometric City I find the reflection from Google, and then I just follow it and I make it in Spline too. And the last is motion graphic. This is my first motion graphic that I made in IDN, and I made this motion graphic in hit film. So because hit film is too hard for making motion graphic, so I make it by team. My teammate, if I forget my teammate, but I make it team alone. The next is IoT. The first is QR control. QR control is like remote control, but using robot Tinybit. So this is the code that I made in Microbit. Then I input the code to the Microbit that I use it for become the brain of the robot, so I can control it using remote. Continue the last video in yesterday because my memory phone is full. Okay, we continue from disaster alarm. So disaster alarm is a project in Microbit that aims for detect some disaster alarm. And in this project, it can detect disaster such as earthquake, floods, and also can detect fire, strokes, smoke with special tools. Next is thermometer. Thermometer is a project in Microbit for checking the temperature in some room. So when we put the robot Tinybit in some room, it will show the numbers from the temperature in the room. And if the temperature is suddenly change, the number will be changed too. And the last is vending machine. Vending machine is same like vending machine is same like vending machine in outside, but this is this in this project I just make a simple vending machine only for candy and some snack. And the system is same. If we insert coin, we will get some snack. And this project is not I made with my teammate, not alone, because there will be some person who coding and also make the animation. The next is Android. The first is Find My Edge. This application I made in Codular, and this is the third project I made in Codular. So this project is this project can calculate your edge automatically when you enter your birthday years. Example, if I insert 2008 and the age will be show 50 and like that. And also there is some words in every age category, children, teenager, and others. Next is calculator. This is my last project in Codular, and this is also the hardest too. So this project is same like calculator in your phone, but but not only for number. I also add for flat shape, so we can count square, rectangle, triangle, and others. Next is the menu. The menu is one of menu in Bitapo application that I made in Android Studio. So this menu is only show some doa, like doa when in morning and in night and the others. Yeah, only like that. The next is the zakat calculator. So this is also one of the menu in Bitaqwa application that I made in Android Studio. So this project is can calculate how much money we must spend, we must spend according to the money that we input in the calculator. Example, we input 100 million. The money that we must spend is around 2.5 million. Next is video kajian. This is also the menu, one of the menu in Bitaqwa application, and in this menu you can show many video kajian from Ustadz Salaf that are really famous like Ustadz Khalid Basalamah and the others. Next is Dinia project. The first is Akidah poster. This is my first poster that I made in IDN, and this poster is about buah iman kepada Allah. And this poster is I made in Canva because I made it in 7th grade and I don't understand about Figma. Next is my mapping. This is my mapping PE that about zakat, and this my mapping I made in 8th grade, and so I already understand Figma, so I made it in Figma. And next is motion graphic. This motion graphic I made it in Fit.io, and this motion graphic is for dakwah, and this is not SKL, but is for competition Dinia, so there will be Dinia competition every Monday, and I made this motion graphic. this project. The first is short movie. This is my first short movie that I made in IDN with my friend. The theme of short movie is Adabul Masjid Mosque, and maybe I made this short movie around 7 people with my friend. There is Albi, Yudi, Abdullah, Fatan, Albi, Moko, and Nasoni. Next is podcast. This is my podcast project when I in 8th grade. And the theme of this podcast is about the importance of technology for teenager. And my partner in this podcast is Pascal Jamil. And next is final project. This is my final project in English final project in 9th grade. And also this is the hardest project in 9th grade project, especially for English, because there will be 3 parts in this video. The first is interview, it's around 9 minutes. The second part is describing country, it's around 7 minutes, and the last is presenting about your favorite project from 7th grade to 9th grade, and it's around 9 minutes also. Total minimum for the project is 25 minutes, but I made it 35 minutes. And next is certificate. The first is GIT course. So this certificate I get it by doing GIT course in progress.com website. So my teacher, my IT teacher asked me to do useful to do useful activity when spare time. So he asked me to do GIT course in progress.com, and I get this certificate. The next is experience. The first is Weekend Talk. Weekend Talk is a program from IDN to teach material about IT. And when I Weekend Talk with my friend Fatan, I teach about Spline using English, and also it's live in YouTube if I not forget in StreamYard. And there will be and in this Weekend Talk I become the host and my friend Fatan become the speaker. Next is basketball competition. So when 9th grade, especially in first semester in December, there is a competition basketball from Anahal School, namely EASA. So my basketball team, that's my friend, asked my coach basket to join this competition, and yeah, we joined the competition, but sadly we not win. The next is identity. Identity is also a program of IDN to teach IT outside school, and I only teach in one school, namely Al Azhar, and that is already determined by IDN. Actually, we can do a proposal to the IDN to teach maybe in our elementary school or in other school, but I only join with I only teach in Al-Azhar that are already determined by IDN, and I teach about Pac-Man game in Scratch. The next is Endurance. So Endurance is an event from IDN. This event aims to stretch your mind by going to the old city to Kota Tua from Jonggol with a little money, a little budget. So we must selling like mineral water to get some money to go to the Kota Tua in Jakarta. Okay, this is only the closing. This only to show my thankful for the teacher that helped me to make this project, and also to find the solution in every problem that I get while I make the project. Okay, maybe that's all for me. If there is some mistake, please forgive me. I hope you enjoy this video, and as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.